Hi, I'm Mary, and this is another Magical Math Moment. This video is going to focus on how to use the graphing calculator to assist you when graphing a quadratic function given in either factored or intercept form, depending on which book you're looking at. So, we have negative 1/2 quantity x plus 5, quantity x minus 3. I've already typed that into my calculator. I'm going to be using some of these buttons along the top row. So y equals is where we are right now. Zoom 6 is going to help us see our graph. We're going to use trace in a little bit to calculate some things, and we'll also be using the graph button. I'm going to need use of the second key, and I'm going to use this little guy over here for my variables. All right, so I've got the function in. Let's take a look at what it's doing. Zoom 6 is a standard viewing window. That means I'm going 10 from each direction on the axes from the origin. Okay, so this is a pretty good picture. I know from just looking at the equation that I've got x-intercepts at -5 and +3. So that's one thing that's done right away for us, which is pretty cool. Okay. To figure out the vertex of this thing, since our a value is negative, it opens down. That means I have a maximum this time, not a minimum. We're going to go second, trace, and choose 4 for max. I need an x value that is to the left of where I think the vertex is. So I'm going to say something over here like -5, which is the intercept. That's kind of funny. I'm going to choose another one that's over here, maybe 1. And then I'm going to enter for my guess, -0.99999. Whenever you have a situation like that, just round it up to -1. So my vertex is -1, 8. Let me write that down real quick. -1, oh my gosh, 8. The other point that's going to be kind of important for us is the y-intercept. I can go into the table, second graph, look for where x is 0, and note that the y-intercept is 7.5. Okay, we have all of the information we need to get a good sketch of this thing. -1, 8 is over in the second quadrant. I want to make sure that I have enough spaces here, so I'm going to go down kind of low. Hopefully that works. Watch it be one short. Story of my life, right? All right, x-intercepts -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So close. The other one is at 3. 1, 2, 3. I've got my vertex at -1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, our y-intercept is 7.5, so that's here. If I want symmetry, I can kind of do that. And now I can use these points to sketch in what this graph is going to look like. So something like that. Oh, this is kind of hideous. Hopefully your sketch looks a little bit better than mine. Wow, okay. Oh, that side's nicer at least. That's a little wobbly, but that's okay. All right, don't forget also you want to include your axis of symmetry. So that is the vertical line that cuts through the vertex. Usually I do those either on a highlighter or a dotted line. This is x equals -1, and that's your axis of symmetry. You can also label V up here for vertex. And that's pretty much the graph. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you again for another Magical Math Moment. Bye!